Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy DeVintage, and today, man, the topic of discussion is the Nike SB Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunkies, man. As you guys know, we've been talking about these shoes for the last couple of months. We seen pictures get leaked like months ago, and everybody like, whoa, that is an extravagant shoe. But not a lot of people know where to cop, how to cop, and stuff like that. So today, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of my input on this release that is upcoming very, very soon. We're just gonna get into the details. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, man. We right around the corner from that big 30K, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead, subscribe for your boy, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Also, smash that like button. Every like counts, and you guys know the goal for every video is 300 likes. You guys have been killing it. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. And I have a very dope video dropping tomorrow, so you guys stay tuned. And like I told you guys yesterday, merch will be coming soon on Monday. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of preview, and I'm gonna start taking the first orders by Friday, man. So you guys stay tuned with everything that's coming along with the channel. I appreciate all of the support, and I thank everybody that's gotten the channel to where it is today. So with all that being said, man, let's jump right into talking about the details about these Nike SB Chunky Dunkies, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna put some pictures over here so you guys can check them out. I know everybody pretty much know what they are. It's a crazy looking shoe. There's so many different materials on this shoe right here, as you guys can see. And me personally, if I was to cop this shoe, I would definitely throw in the collection for one of those, you know, collectible pieces to make the sneaker collection look a little different, you feel me? Not something I would really wear on a daily basis, but like maybe it's like a special event, to like a sneaker con or something like that. The only dunk I have in my collection as of now, you guys know I told y'all I want to cop a lot more dunks, but like every single dunk that has released, every single SB that has released, I've been taking nothing but L's. It is a couple that I want to go back and get on the resale market side of things, but most of them prices is looking a little crazy, and I'd rather go get a pair of Jordans or a pair of Foam Positives or a pair of Yeezys or something like that. And one of those honorable mentions that I am thinking about going back to get is the SB Dunk Strange Loves, man. It's super fire, that all over pink suede. I actually had that shoe in hand. I was so close to getting it when I was down in Tampa a couple months back. I was like, nah, I'm gonna hold off because a couple other releases I want to get, you know what I'm saying, I'm review for you guys on the channel. But yeah, here you go, my only pair of dunk in the collection. Check it out, check it out. The orange box dunks. As you guys do know, they have this box right here stamped onto the side of this shoe, which I really like. And like I said, this is my only dunk, SB dunk in the collection. It's kind of crazy, but I definitely need a lot more, man. So like I said, these Ben & Jerry's is something I want to get, you know, as far as the collective side of things, and to make the collection pop a lot more. So as you guys do know, I get most of my information from Sneaker Bar Detroit, man. Shouts out to Sneaker Bar Detroit for all the info I give you guys. And we finally have 2 confirmed release dates, man. The first one is at the skate shops, and this is gonna lead to my first tip in how to get these shoes, with the release date being May 23rd, man. That's right around the corner, as you guys know. So if you are interested in copping these, you have to call around, see what local skate shops is getting them. I know down here in San Antonio, they will be getting the Ben & Jerry's. They also got the UNC SBs that dropped a while back. I'm not knowing how my chances is looking, because as you guys do know, I took an L on those SBs, and it might even happen again for these Ben & Jerry dunks. All right, guys, so May 23rd is for the skate shop release. Call around, see how they doing the first come first serve raffle. You never know. I honestly don't believe they will be doing a first come first serve basis, just due to, you know what I'm saying, the whole COVID-19 and stuff like that, social distancing. So I can definitely see them doing a raffle system or something like that. That's actually how they did it down here for those UNC SBs that dropped a while back as well. So I'm gonna go up there, try to put in for the raffle, see if I hit. Hey, who knows? And next, guys, we have an official sneakers app release. I don't know if it's gonna be a draw. I don't know if it's gonna be like a 10-minute, 30-minute draw, or like a first come, first serve thing. I don't know how they're gonna do it, exclusive access, shock drop. You just never know with Nike Sneakers app. It's like kind of hard to predict some of the things that they do. As you guys do know, we've been waiting on the shock drop for the Air Jordan 13 Flints for like, the last couple of weeks now. We have not gotten that release yet. And everybody is super anticipated for that shoe to shock drop, exclusive access drop, or however they're gonna do it for these Flints, man. It's just kind of known that they will do it. It's one of those shoes that everybody's looking forward to. They did it with the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, so I'm highly expecting them to do a shock drop or some sort of drop on the Nike Sneakers app for the Flint 13s. And the Sneakers app release date is May 26th, so you guys need to have those Sneakers app ready, have your card information already preloaded. Me personally, I use PayPal because they don't have to run into the issue of like a fraud protection or anything like that. PayPal is super legit for me. Make sure you have your face scan, your thumbprint, however you do it with your Android or iPhone, so it's super faster if it is a first come first serve basis, and it would definitely up your chances on copping a pair. Also, man, if you want to get your shoes super speedy, what I've been been doing for years now is getting 2-day shipping, and that's kind of like the hot commodity nowadays with Nike, with Foot Locker, with Champs and stuff like that. You want to get your shoes ASAP. You used to going to the mall, picking up your shoe, but now of course everything is pretty much shut down still. So you want to get that 2-day shipping so you can get your shoes super fast, man. And with these SB Ben & Jerry's, they will be retailing for $100, which is dirt cheap, and you can just project that resale to be somewhere like $700 to $800. Right now, some of the prices are going like thousands of dollars, but I feel like after the release, it will drop down to around $700 to $800, stay there a little bit steady. But I heard this shoe is super limited, so you never know. It might go above 1,000 a little later on down the year, but who really knows, man? I'm not a big SB guy. I did want to start collecting a lot more coming 2020, but I've been taking nothing but L's. But hopefully Sneakers app or the skate shop that I'm gonna go put in for my raffle bless your boy with a pair of these Ben & Jerry's, man. All right, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I gave you guys a lot of tips, a lot of tricks on how to cop these Ben & Jerry SB Chunky Dunkies. It's just a crazy name. It's a crazy looking shoe, and this is something that I would definitely like to add to the collection, man. If you're new right now, what you guys do is subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. Smash the like button. Go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know the motto. If you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.